Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to our very special vlog for today. Why is it special? Because apart from unboxing 3 sneakers, bottles of cologne, and a smartphone, combined total worth of over 100,000 pesos or $2,000, I'm very happy to share with you that our friends from Realme Philippines will be matching whatever amount of money we make in today's video from the advertising, and together with that, it shall be donated to the victims of the Taal volcano eruption. So make sure that you watch the entire video, and then please do make sure to share this video as well on Facebook so that a lot of people watch it. We raise a lot of money together and we get to help out. With that said, let's get to the juicy unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are doing a giveaway in today's vlog. We are giving away this Realme 5.1 smartphone. So all you have to do, share this video on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow Realme Philippines on Instagram, and then leave a comment down below on what it is that you love about the Realme 5i after we unbox it at the end of the vlog. So make sure you do all of that. We will be drawing the winner first week of January. Let's get started first with the sneakers. We have 3 new pairs over here. We have 2 new Yeezys, guys. 2 new Yeezys and 1 new kick-ass Air Force 1. I will save the best for last, which is the Air Force 1. I'm sure you guys will love it, so we'll keep it at the very end of the video. So let's start with the first 2 Yeezys. Now, as you can see, this particular Yeezy is an OG Yeezy box. It doesn't have the 350 print at the very top. It just says here Yeezy Boost 350 Yeezy Supply. This is actually one of the very first Yeezys that came out together with the Turtle Dove, the Oxford Tan, and the Pirate Black. This is actually the Yeezy Moonrock. So I picked this up mainly because I have been really fascinated with the V1s, mainly because there's just so many V2s coming out, and it's nice to go back to the OG models. So as you can see, bam! This is what the Yeezy Moonrock looks like. It's some sort of like cross between, I don't know, like green or salt for the color. You have that prime knit upper, you have that suede patch here along the medial side of the shoe, you have the pull tab, you have that case for the midsole, and of course you have the Boost midsole. Now the great thing about this one is I was finally able to get a V1 in my size, which is size 13, so it is kind of bigger, but I kind of like my Yeezys roomier that way. So I'm not pretty sure if you guys are loving the color, but I definitely am, and I'm super stoked and excited to finally add the Moonrock to my collection. I now have the Turtle Doves, I have the Oxford Tans, we have the Pirate Black, so we are complete when it comes to the V1s of the Yeezy Boost 350. So very, very happy to add this to my collection. I think brand new pairs of this one, specific on certain sizes, sell for over $1,000 or even maybe more. So you can probably see this selling for maybe 50 to 80,000 pesos for resellers if you buy it brand new. I was only able to get it secondhand, but still pretty good condition. So that's the first sneaker that we have, the Yeezy Boost 350 Turtle Doves Moonrocks. Now before we get to the second sneaker, let's go to the unboxing of the perfume. My favorite perfume is from the House of Creed. This is Creed Aventus. I actually have a lot of used up bottles already. This is my go-to fragrance when it comes to the office and business because it just gives you that aura and feeling of power. The mixture of the pineapple with the smokiness is just something else, and such a unique smell. That's the reason why I love Creed Aventus. I actually walked away and I actually ended up buying 2 bottles. This one is still sealed, but this one I already opened. This is what the actual bottle of Aventus looks like. You can already see it from the bottle itself that it kind of screams power, right? And it just really smells amazing. I mean, every time I just, oh man, it just lifts your mood up, gives you that feeling of I don't know, like excitement and power, and I don't know, drives up your ambition and whatever. I just want to share that I was finally able to buy like bottles of Creed Aventus at good prices from our connections online. So that's the second item that I want to unbox. Next up, we have a sneaker, which is one of the latest Yeezy 700s to come out. This is the Yeezy 700 Carbon Blue. So you have 700 printed at the top. It is your typical carton box, and if you slide this one open, you still have the tissue paper. This one I got from Commonwealth, but I just never got around to unboxing it for you guys. So this is a super mega delayed Yeezy unboxing. But bam! Oh, wow, take a look at that shoe. This is gorgeous. I mean, I think a lot of people slept on it, or it didn't get too much hype, mainly because it takes a lot of inspiration from the previous models, such as the Inertia as well as the Hospital Blue. But man, I love the pop of salmon on the midsole with the mixture of the different layers of blue, from dark blue to teal to that really nice light blue for the laces, which just gives the contrast so much more pop. I mean, I am totally digging and loving this sneaker. So arguably one of my favorite Yeezy 700s, next to the OG Wave Runners, the Statics, and of course the Magnets. Those are some of my favorites. So as you can see, multiple layers, multiple textures, multiple materials, nice pops of colors. You have the Boost midsole down there, which gives it that added comfort. Shout out to the awesome people from Commonwealth for, well, letting me buy it for retail, because it was just sitting on their shelves in my size, the one and only size left, size 12.5, and it just happened to pass by. Ba-bam! Added to the collection. This last sneaker, before we get to the smartphone unboxing, is something that I picked up from Riff Manila, which is a special order from our awesome friends from Riff Los Angeles. So I was actually talking with them on Instagram, and I told them, hey, I was looking for this specific sneaker, so hard to find online. Do you guys have one in the US, and can you ship it to Riff Manila, which is of course the sneaker shop that's in front of Secret Fresh, the art gallery of DJ Big Boy Cheng. And our boys from Riff Manila and Riff Los Angeles pulled through. This is the Air Force 1 Clot Fragment in black, and I have been wanting this sneaker for so long now, and to finally have it here in my collection. Bam! One of the Grail Air Force 1s to have, in my opinion, for anybody's collection. So you have the logo of Fragment, you have the logo of Clot, you have the tissue paper. Are you ready? Bam! Take a look at that shoe. As you guys can see, it has a black silk upper, you have waxed laces, a white midsole, and then a nice gum outsole to make it pop. It does come with extra red laces if you want to use it. Now, it does have a secret, because this isn't just another boring black Air Force 1. This upper, you can actually remove in the same way that you could remove the black leather upper of the G-Dragon Peace -1 Air Force 1, revealing a different design beneath it. Now, this one is supposed to have like a red colorway underneath it, a red design featuring, I think it hails back to the first, I don't know, like generation of the Clot Air Force 1. I'm not too sure about that, I haven't researched it well, but I am really intent of tearing away that silk, and I will be doing an on-feet review of this, first with the silk and then without it, in the coming days ahead. So if you are worried, or if you don't want to see this ripped up, don't watch that video. But if you are excited for that one, watch out for it. It should be coming next week. We will be ripping away the upper layer of this $1,000 shoe so that we can rock it without that black material and just expose the glory that is hidden beneath the upper layer. By the way, if you haven't watched my video where I did sneaker shopping at Riff Manila, link down below. Also, if you haven't seen my video where I did sneaker shopping in Riff LA in Los Angeles, the link to that down below as well. Now, the combined total so far of what we bought, this is like 60,000 pesos. The Turtle Dove, if you get the dead stock price, that's like over 50,000 pesos. We're well beyond the 100K. This one sells for 17,000 pesos if you buy it from Shangri-La. So that's what, 34,000? So we're kind of like over 140,000 pesos already. So we're way above our target of 100,000 in terms of value of what we've unboxed. Now we go to the main event. I want to unbox for you guys this new smartphone from Realme, the Realme 5i, which is their new budget offering. This sells for just 6,990 pesos, making it an amazingly affordable entry-level smartphone. However, it doesn't compromise too much on its capabilities because it still gives you a 5,000 milliampere battery, a Snapdragon 665 AIE processor, an ultra-wide camera, as well as a 6.5-inch mini drop display, all in a smartphone that sells for just 6,990 pesos. If you guys want to pick one up, this should be launching very soon in the Philippines, but I want to do like the unboxing first so we all enjoy it together. Okay guys, so we ripped open the plastic already covering the phone. Again, if you haven't shared the video yet, please do share it because the more people watch, the more money the video makes through advertising and the more money that we can actually give to the victims of the Taal volcano. Again, whatever money this video makes, Realme will match, and then we will donate all of that to the victims of the ongoing calamity. Now this is, wow, this looks pretty good for a smartphone that's like 6,990. So again, it does come in a bigger form factor because usually smartphones at this price range are very small. But wow, this is solid. I also, wow, guys, take a look at that stunning green color. It has some sort of like angles or lines that makes the light shimmer a certain way. Wow, metallic feel to it. I'm not too sure if it's actually metal. You have 4 cameras there at the back. You have that gorgeous massive display here at the front, fingerprint scanner and button here. Apart from that, you have, of course, your USB-C cable and your wall charger. Now you're probably thinking, Carlo, why doesn't it have earphones? Well, they don't come with earphones, but you can opt to buy the Realme Buds Air. It just recently came out. I'm actually giving one away also in another video. I will put a link down below to my review of this amazing pair of budget-friendly true wireless earphones. They sell for 3,990 pesos, so they won't break the bank. And that's actually our quick unboxing of the Realme 5i. Now, I will be doing a more comprehensive review of this one in the coming days ahead. I just really wanted to do the unboxing as fast as possible so we can start raising money for Realme to match in this video. Now, if you guys don't know yet, there are also other YouTubers who are also doing the same thing. So there is Mary Bautista, your favorite tech girl. Isa Does Tech is also doing the same thing, as well as our good friends over at Unbox PH. So I will be linking down below to their channels. Please do watch all of the videos about the 5i on their channels because Realme will also match whatever money those channels make on that video, and all of our collective revenue will be given to the victims of the Taal volcano. I will actually be very transparent with you and share with you the total amount that we were able to raise across all the channels. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick unboxing for today. I hope you are all having an amazing week. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.